Students, today we are going to discuss next concept of management, that is coordination. I'm going to start this topic with a beautiful quote, that is, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. That is why coordination is called essence of management or heart of management. Now, the question arises, what do you mean by coordination? Coordination means bringing together the activities and resources of organization and bringing harmony in them. Coordination is the process by which a manager synchronizes the activities of different departments and individuals working in these departments towards the achievement of a common goal. It is the force that binds all the functions of management. That is why it is considered as an essence of management. Now, features of management. First, it integrates group efforts, brings unity in efforts. Coordination is a continuous process. Coordination is a pervasive function, and coordination is the responsibility of all the managers. Now I am going to discuss these features one by one. Coordination integrates group efforts. It means there is a need of coordination always applies to group efforts. There is no need for coordination when only single individual is working. Next, coordination ensures unity of action. Coordination always emphasizes on unifying the efforts of different individuals. That is why it acts as a binding force in all the departments. Next, coordination is a continuous process and a never-ending function. The managers work continuously to achieve coordination and maintain coordination because without coordination, companies cannot function efficiently. Next, coordination is pervasive function. Pervasive means universal, and universal says that it is required at all the levels and at all the functions of management. Coordination is the responsibility of all the managers. It is not only the top level who need coordination. Now, with the help of case study analysis, we are going to study the features or characteristics of coordination. Sagar Limited believes in coordination among departments and activities. For this, the company takes steps throughout the year. Coordination is kept in mind by all the managers, means coordination is the responsibility of all the managers. Throughout the year, the various activities are synchronized without failure. It means coordination is a continuous and ongoing function. Every department ensures that within it, every employee and operation is guided by the theme of proper coordination. It means coordination is a pervasive function. Even at the departmental level, The various departments use this binding force to create perfect harmony among them so that organizational goals can be fulfilled. It means coordination acts as a binding force and ensures unity of action. Now check your answers. I think this concept is clear to all of you. Shall we move now? Next topic is importance of coordination. Coordination is very important as it integrates the efforts of individuals, departments, and specialists. The need of coordination can be more clear by the following points. First point is growth in size. The need of coordination increases with increase in size of organization because in large organizations there are more number of persons and each individual has its own need. That is why there is more need of coordination in the big organizations. Functional differentiation. Functions of various organizations are divided into different departments, sections, or divisions. But in actual practice, these departments are interrelated and interdependent, as shown in the picture. So, there is more need to relate and bring together the activities of different sections. Next, specialization. In large and modern organizations, there is high degree of specialization and the specialists or experts feel that they are the only qualified people and they always take right decision in right direction. There are number of specialists working in the organization. If all of them work in their own way, then it will result in confusions. So, there is need to coordinate the activities of all the specialists in a common direction and get maximum benefit of these specialists. Clear? Now, it's time to check your knowledge with the help of case study analysis. Yes. First of all, I am reading the question. Identify the concept of management highlighted above. Write two benefits highlighted in the above paragraph. The top management of the company tries its level best to synchronize the activities. It means it is talking about coordination. The size of the company has grown and now there are many branches of this company. It means growth in size. The heads of the company are specialists in their respective areas. They are the specialists, it means specialization is there. I think this concept is very much clear to you. Now you can check your answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.